Wow. We're at the Bahamas. You crack me up. At the Bahamas. Oh, this is my hotel room that I paid for everything. I'm such a rich girl. Just kidding. Oh, just kidding. It was all thanks to Timothy. Very nice.
Free sandals.
That probably don't fit me. Oh. Dang, this door is heavy.
We got a thing?
Does it even work?
Yeah, it works.
I don't know. Just need probably more manly pull.
And it's locked. Oh, jeez.
It was already turned that way.
We got high up.
There's a better look at everything.
Yeah, this is the best way to see the map.